Think of your muscles like a calloused hand. Just as your hands develop calluses to protect against friction and pressure, your muscles adapt to the stress you place on them. You don't get calluses by petting puppies. Gentle activities don't challenge your muscles enough to cause significant changes. You get them from lifting weights, swinging a hammer, doing hard work. These activities create the necessary stress that prompts your muscles to adapt and grow. It's the same with your muscles. They need to be challenged to grow and become stronger. They grow in response to stress. This stress is essential for muscle development. This stress comes from resistance training. Activities like lifting weights or using resistance bands create the necessary tension. When you lift weights, you create tiny tears in your muscle fibers. These micro tears are a natural part of the muscle building process. This sounds bad, but it's actually what triggers muscle growth. Your body responds to these tears by repairing and strengthening the muscle fibers. It's like tearing down a small wall to build a bigger, stronger one. The rebuilding process makes the muscle more resilient. This process is called muscle protein synthesis. It's the body's way of repairing and building muscle tissue. Now your body is a smart machine. It constantly adapts to the demands you place on it. It wants to be ready for whatever you throw at it. So it prepares by making your muscles stronger and more efficient. So when you damage your muscles through training, your body says, hold on, I need to be ready for that next time. It starts the repair process immediately. And that's when the magic happens. Your muscles not only repair but also grow stronger to handle future challenges. Your body kicks off a repair process to fix those tiny tears and make your muscles stronger. This cycle of stress and repair is what leads to muscle growth and improved performance. So, how does this repair process actually work? Well, when those muscle fibers tear, your body releases these things called inflammatory molecules. Think of them as little messengers. These messengers tell your immune system, hey, we got some damage here, we need to fix this. Your immune system then sends in cells to clean up the debris and start the rebuilding process. Remember those building blocks we talked about like protein? This is where they come in. Your body uses these building blocks to repair the damaged fibers and create new, stronger ones. This whole process is what makes your muscles bigger and stronger over time. It's like constantly upgrading your equipment to handle heavier and heavier workloads. But here's the catch. Your body adapts. It's a natural process where your muscles get used to the stress you put on them. Do the same workout every day, and your body gets used to it. The same exercises, the same weights, the same reps, it all becomes routine. It's like a video game. Beat the same level over and over, it gets boring. There's no excitement, no challenge, and no growth. You need a new challenge. Something that pushes you beyond your current limits. That's where progressive overload comes in. It's a strategy to keep your muscles guessing and growing. It means constantly challenging your muscles with heavier weights, more reps, or new exercises. This continuous challenge is crucial. Think of it like leveling up in that video game. Each new level brings tougher challenges, but also greater rewards. If you lift the same weight for the same reps every week, your body has no reason to grow. It becomes stagnant. It's already adapted to that stress. This is why many people hit a plateau in their fitness journey. But if you keep pushing yourself, your body has to keep adapting, and that means building more muscle. It's a continuous cycle of growth. Progressive overload ensures that your muscles are constantly being challenged and forced to grow. It's the secret to continuous improvement. It's the key to unlocking your full potential. Embrace the challenge and watch yourself transform. Section 4. Importance of diet and hormones. Now let's talk about fuel. You can't build a house without bricks and mortar, right? Same with your muscles. You need the right nutrients to fuel growth, especially protein. Protein provides the building blocks called amino acids that your body uses to repair and build new muscle tissue. Make sure you're eating enough protein throughout the day, especially after your workouts. But it's not just about food. Your hormones also play a huge role. Testosterone, for example, is like a natural anabolic steroid. It tells your body to build muscle and burn fat. Another important hormone is called IGF-1, or insulin-like growth factor. This one is super important for muscle repair and growth. And guess what? Intense exercise can naturally boost your body's production of these hormones. Section 5. Putting it all together. So we've covered a lot of ground here, and it's time to bring it all together. We talked about how muscles grow in response to stress, how that stress triggers a repair process that builds new muscle tissue, making them stronger and more resilient. and how important it is to keep challenging your muscles with progressive overload, gradually increasing the weight or resistance. We also talked about the importance of fuel, specifically protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, and how hormones like testosterone and IGF-1 play a crucial role in muscle growth, acting as messengers that signal your body to build muscle. But there's one more piece of the puzzle: rest. It's often overlooked but incredibly important. Remember those little messengers that signal muscle repair? They need time to do their job effectively. Well, they do their best work when you're resting, especially when you're sleeping. Quality sleep is crucial. That's when your body can really focus on rebuilding and growing those muscles, making them stronger and more efficient. So make sure you're getting enough sleep, around 7 to 9 hours per night, to give your body the rest it needs. And don't be afraid to take rest days. They are just as important as your workout days. Your body needs time to recover and rebuild. Incorporate activities like stretching and foam rolling to aid recovery. Remember, muscles are torn down in the gym through intense workouts and resistance training, but they are built back stronger during rest. So balance your workouts with adequate rest for optimal muscle growth.